Students, we will see logarithmic differentiation. See, when the given function is a product of many functions like u, v, w, x, y, z. So, how to do it? The only way is the logarithmic differentiation. That will be easier to you to differentiate the function. Or second type, if suppose one function is given like this, f of x to the power again function to the power function. In these two cases, when you apply logarithms, then it will be easier for you to differentiate. Okay. So before going into that, you should know some basic formulas of logarithms. Log of mn equal to log m plus log n. Log of m upon n equal to log m minus log n. Log p raised to n means n log p. These properties or rather rules will be very often using in this chapter. Okay, then only you will be able to understand. Now you don't worry, it is very easy only. Now I will give one type. Now first of all, differentiate x plus 1 the whole square upon x plus 2 the whole cube into x plus 3 the whole raised to 4. Now look at this. Here, even though it is u upon v formula, you can do it. Again here uv formula is there. So better to take log. So let y equal to x plus 1 the whole square upon x plus 2 the whole cube into x plus 3 whole raised to 4. Now taking log on both the sides, so log of y equal to log of, see here, x plus 1 the whole square upon x plus 2 the whole cube into x plus 3 whole raised to 4. Now look at this. Here only simplification is important, remaining will be very simple. Now look at this. Log of, this is m, this is n. Mn formula, see m by n formula. So log of m upon log of m minus log of n. So what you have to do? Log of m minus log of n. Again n is in the form of a product. So it is log y equal to log of x plus 1 the whole square minus, now you see this is m, this is n. Log of mn formula, this one. So log m plus log n. So log of x plus 2 the whole cube plus log of x plus 3 the whole raised to 4. Followed? Now log y is equal to log of x plus 1 the whole square, will multiply with minus, open the bracket, log of x plus 2 the whole cube minus log of x plus 3 the whole raised to 4. Now look at this. Log y equal to, see log p raised to n formula, p and n. See here this formula. So we will be using 2 log x plus 1 minus, here also it is p, it is n, 3 log x plus 2 minus 4 log x plus 3. Now you tell me, have you done anything so far? Nothing. We are just simplifying by using the formulas. Now we can do it. Differentiating with respect to x. What is with respect to x? What is the derivative of log y? 1 by y dy by dx equal to 2 into, what is the log of x plus 1? 1 upon x plus 1 minus 3 into, what is the log of derivative of log of x plus 2? 1 upon x plus 2 minus 4 into 3. So what you are having is 1 by y dy by dx equal to 2 by x plus 1 minus 3 by x plus 2 minus 4 by x plus 3. Now, what we want, we are interested in dy by dx. So, dy by dx equal to this, y will go that side. So, y into 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. So, we will resubstitute the value of y. So, x plus 1 the whole square upon x plus 2 whole cube into x plus 3 whole raised to 4 into 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. I hope everyone understood. That is very important sum. Now we will be doing many sums of logarithm by using logarithms principles. Okay. Now next sum we will do, it's very important, that is differentiate x to the power tan inverse x. I told you, if f of x to the power g of x, then it is better to take logarithm. Okay. Now differentiate x to the power tan x. Let y equal to x to the power tan inverse x. Taking log on both the sides, what you will get? Log of left hand side equal to log of right hand side. Again I told you, log p raised to n equal to n log p. We will be using it. So log y equal to tan inverse of x into log x. Right? So what is here? U, it is v. So differentiating with respect to x. What is the derivative of log y? 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, will keep 1 and differentiate the other. Keep the other and differentiate the first. So 1 by y dy by dx equal to tan inverse x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x plus log x. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. So it is tan inverse x upon x plus log x upon 1 plus x square. But this is 1 by y dy by dx, but we are interested in dy by dx. So we dy by dx equal to cross multiply. This y will come here. Y into tan inverse x upon x plus log x upon 1 plus x square equal to y value you can substitute. What is y? X into tan inverse x into tan inverse x upon x plus log x upon 1 plus x square. So it is a really interesting sum. Now next one. Differentiate sin of x to the power x. So let y equal to sin x to the power x. Therefore, now look at this here. What you have to do? Dy by dx equal to, what is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. So, cos of x raised to x into the derivative of this. Derivative of x to the power x. So, now this we will keep it as equation number 1. Now, this is okay. Now, we have to find out the derivative of x raised to x and we will substitute here. That is sufficient. So, now we will take let u equal to x to the power x. Now, we will take log on both the side. Taking log on both sides. So, log u equal to log of x to the power x. So, log u equal to x into log x. Why? Log p raised to n equal to n log p formula. So, now look at this. This is which formula? U and v. So, what is the derivative of log u? 1 by u du by dx equal to, keep x and derivative of log x 1 by x and keep log x and derivative of x is 1. X cancel. So, 1 plus log x, that is 1 upon u du upon dx. Therefore, du upon dx equal to u into 1 plus log x. But what is u? X to the power x into 1 plus log x. That means what is u? That means derivative of x to the power x is this. So, what is your derivative of x raised to x? X raised to x into 1 plus log x. So, this will substitute here. Therefore, substituting equation 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Dy by dx equal to cos x to the power x into derivative of x raised to x. So, cos x raised to x into, what is the derivative of x raised to x? We got it here. X raised to x into 1 plus log x. So, this is how we have to do this sum. Now, next one we will do. This is also very important. Differentiate x to the power x plus x to the power a e to the power x to the power e. Listen very carefully. This is a very interesting type of sum. Now let y equal to x raised to x plus x raised to a plus e raised to x plus x raised to e. Now, what is the derivative? Derivative of x raised to x plus derivative of x raised to a plus derivative of e raised to x plus derivative of x raised to e. Now, separately we will find out and then we will substitute here. Okay. Now, we have to find out the derivative of x to the power x. So, suppose if you wanted, you can do like this also. Now, here, this u equal to x raised to x. So, what is taking log? Log u equal to log of the previous sum only I am doing it. log u equal to x into log x. So u into v, 1 by u du by dx equal to x into 1 by x plus log x into 1. The same sum I am repeating, 1 plus log x. So 1 by u du by dx. Therefore du by dx equal to u into 1 plus log x. So d, what is u? X raised to x. So this I got. Now this, what is derivative of x raised to a? What is the derivative of x to the power a? X raised to n formula, a into x raised to a minus 1. Now what about this? D by dx of e raised to x. What is the derivative of e to the power x? It is e to the power x only. Now here, derivative of x raised to e equal to, what is the x raised to n formula? E into x to the power e minus 1. Now look at this very carefully. Now we have got the differentiation of this. Will substitute. Substituting the values in equation 1, what we will get? Dy by dx equal to, what here? X to the power x into 1 plus log x plus a into x raised to a minus 1 plus e raised to x plus e into x into e minus 1. This is the result. Very simple. Next one we will do. Now we will be doing one more sum. That we will see in the next class.